Have these right here going. It's Kalbi beef right here. Cooking on one side, I have it down low. Have some garlic right there. And just get this all together. It's cooking nicely. So you have carrots in here. Break it up a little bit. Carrots, I have green onion over there. Get close so you can see this a little bit. So this is, I like to cook it a little bit slow. Some people fast, but I like it well done, all cooked all the way through. And if you cook it at a lower temperature, you end up with the Kalbi beef that's not too tough. I'm using an Iwatani grill right here. Let's get this going. Earlier I was cooking some red peppers. Get the red peppers going. Really good red pepper. And the garlic should be almost done. See how I'm toasting the garlic a little bit. How toasted it is. Garlic adds a nice flavor to it. I have some hot peppers I'm going to be using. Going to what I'm eating on, I have some radish right here. You know, this really good. We also have some, call this a soy chum, or choy sum, something like that. I'm not sure exactly. It's really good. Add some vegetables to the mix. And I also have this right here. It's fish cake. That's a good fish cake right here. And I also have some sort of spicy tofu. Look at this spicy tofu right here. And then cooked right out on a grill. I think it likes some grilled tofu. Really good. Put that away for now. I'm gonna take another bite of the peppers before I get to back to the Kalbi beef. Slice them kind of funny. And then flip this over, cook it nicely. So have it down low. And then go ahead and put these. So that's that garlic. So I flip this one over. Now the second one that I'm going to flip over. And You know what? Well, this is cooking on the second side. Let me throw some mushrooms on there. So I have these nice mushrooms right here. So I'm gonna throw these on the burner. Now, usually when I cook these mushrooms, I cook them at a higher temperature. But with the Kalbi beef on there at the same time, cook them at a lower temperature so I don't cook the Kalbi beef. Call it Kalbi beef. Kalbi beef too fast. So here are the peppers that I have right here. I just got them. I'm not sure exactly what type of pepper it is. I'm just gonna cut them tight. I wasn't sure if they had seeds in them. Let's go ahead and cut this down there like that. Got some seeds in them, so if you want, you could just go ahead and knock these out if you want to. If you don't want the seeds in there, just scrape them out. So I'll scrape them out. So I'll scrape them out. So the peppers, I don't think they're spicy hot peppers. I'm just gonna place these on the sides. And check on the Kalbi beef. Cooking nicely right there. Low temperature. It's cooking even. Everything's looking nice. So the Kalbi beef on here, this is an Iwatani grill. It's a great grill to have. Very versatile. All sorts of attachments you can get with this. Right here. All sorts of attachments you can get. But right here I have this netted grill on top. You got Iwatani. Turn it up just a little bit. Maybe not. That's kind of almost too hot. So the smoke that's coming up, it's just the oil from the beef that's dropping down. So here's the green pepper, red pepper right here, bell pepper. These should be done right here. So I'm gonna take these off. This is Kalbi beef. I'll just give it one last flip. See that? Knock that off right there. Cover it up and go out. Right. So that's the Kalbi beef. Put it on the grill right here. Nice. So Kalbi beef. You have the garlic. The grill right here, one of them just fell through. I just toast this lightly on the side. And this is dinner, light work tonight. Kalbi beef, mushrooms, a lot of sides going over here. Got the kimchi flavored radish. And that's it.